Hey there, everybody! You've made an incredible decision for your health. Now let's make sure you're fueling your body the right way. After bariatric surgery, your meals should be high in protein, low in carbs, and easy to digest. But that doesn't mean they have to be bland or boring. That's why I'm here to show you some of my favorite quick, easy, and totally delicious bariatric-friendly meals that'll have you saying yummo in no time. Today, I'll share delicious new bariatric-friendly recipes from breakfast to dinner and show you exactly how to prepare them. Let's get started. All right, first up, we're starting the day off right with some scrambled egg muffins with cheese and peppers. These little guys are perfect for busy mornings when you need a grab-and-go breakfast that's packed with protein. Eggs provide high-quality protein, and bell peppers add fiber and vitamins to keep you energized. Just spray a muffin tin with cooking spray, whisk together your eggs, cheese, and chopped peppers, and pour the mixture into the muffin tins. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15-20 minutes or until they're set. And voila! You've got yourself a delicious and nutritious breakfast. You can even make a big batch on Sunday and have them ready to go for the whole week. Talk about a time saver. For those days when you're craving something a little lighter, this protein yogurt bowl with nuts and seeds is a real winner. We're using Greek yogurt as our base because it's packed with protein and probiotics, which are great for digestion. Plus, it's got that tangy flavor that's just so refreshing. Now, for a little crunch and extra protein, I love adding a sprinkle of nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, you name it, it works. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics for digestion, while almonds and flax seeds provide healthy fats and protein. And if you want to add a touch of sweetness, feel free to drizzle on a little bit of honey or maple syrup. I personally love adding some fresh berries for that extra dose of vitamins and antioxidants. This yogurt bowl is so versatile you can customize it with your favorite toppings and make it your own. Let's talk lunch. This grilled chicken and avocado salad is simple, flavorful, and packed with healthy fats. Grilled chicken breast is lean and delicious. Avocado adds healthy fats to keep you full. Grill extra chicken for easy meals. Avocado adds a creamy, dreamy element. It's loaded with healthy fats. Plus, it adds richness to the salad. Use a mix of greens for the base. Add cucumbers, tomatoes, or bell peppers. A squeeze of lemon and olive oil is perfect. This cottage cheese and smoked salmon wrap is a game changer for those days when you're short on time but still want something satisfying and protein-packed. Cottage cheese may sound a little surprising, but trust me on this one. It's actually a fantastic source of protein and calcium, and it's super versatile. Cottage cheese and salmon are high in protein, making this a light yet satisfying meal. We're pairing it with some smoked salmon, which adds a wonderful smoky flavor and those heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. I like to use whole wheat tortillas for my wraps because they're a good source of fiber, but you can use your favorite type of wrap. Just spread some cottage cheese on the tortilla, top it with smoked salmon, and if you're feeling fancy, add some sliced cucumbers or red onions for extra flavor and crunch. Roll it all up, and you've got yourself a delicious and portable lunch. Let's move on to dinner. This baked chicken breast with roasted Brussels sprouts is a classic. It's simple, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Chicken breast is lean protein, and Brussels sprouts add fiber. Roast them to bring out natural sweetness and a caramelized crust. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Drizzle Brussels sprouts with olive oil, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Toss on a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees for 20-25 minutes. This shrimp and cauliflower mash is a lighter and healthier twist on a classic comfort food. Swap mashed potatoes with creamy cauliflower mash for fewer carbs and calories. Shrimp adds lean protein and omega-3s. Sneak in extra veggies. Serve shrimp over cauliflower mash for a satisfying dinner. Enjoy this light yet hearty meal. Sometimes you just need a quick and easy mini meal or snack to tide you over between meals. This boiled egg with hummus is a perfect choice. It's packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling satisfied until your next meal. Eggs and hummus provide protein and healthy fats, making this a satisfying mini meal. Plus, it takes just minutes to prepare. I like to boil a few eggs at the beginning of the week, so I always have them on hand for a quick snack. You can also buy pre-peeled, hard-boiled eggs at the grocery store to save even more time. Simply slice a boiled egg in half and serve it with a dollop of hummus. You can also add a sprinkle of paprika or red pepper flakes for extra flavor. And if you're feeling adventurous, try dipping your egg into the hummus. This snack is quick, easy, and nutritious. Let's end on a sweet note with this peanut butter and banana chia pudding. This pudding is a delicious and healthy way to satisfy your sweet tooth while still getting a good dose of protein and fiber. Chia seeds and peanut butter boost protein intake, while banana adds natural sweetness and energy. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, and when combined with liquid, they create a pudding-like texture that's both satisfying and delicious. To make this pudding, simply combine chia seeds, unsweetened almond milk, peanut butter, and a mashed banana in a jar or container. Stir well, cover, and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and create a creamy pudding. Enjoy this healthy dessert. I hope these recipes have inspired you to get in the kitchen and start cooking up some delicious and nutritious bariatric-friendly meals. Remember, this is a journey, and it's all about making sustainable changes. Chew slowly, eat mindfully, and stay hydrated. Take small bites and chew thoroughly. Drink 64 ounces of water daily. Avoid drinking 30 minutes before or after meals. Mix up your meals and stay consistent. Try different flavors and swap ingredients. Sign up for my newsletter for more recipes and tips. Click the link below and grab your bonus recipes. Let's make 2025 your healthiest year yet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.